Hello friends. Today I will show you the process to create a beautiful creative of a cup made of orange texture using different tools in Adobe Photoshop. You can see I had taken 3 layers for this creative and all are downloaded from internet. First one is the cup. Second is the orange and third one is the lemon. You can see all are have transparent background. Let's start the process. First, let me squeeze the cup little bit so that it will look like a teacup. By pressing Ctrl+T we can activate transform. Then, by holding Shift and using center top transformation node, you can squeeze or scale down the cup size. Next step is to apply orange texture. For this, you have to place and scale the orange layer like this. Let's clip the orange layer to cup layer. It can be done using Alt key and clicking between the layers in layer panel. This process is called clipping mask. Here you can see there are still some part remained out of texture. We can fill this area by duplicating the orange layer. Just press Alt key and drag the selected layer to duplicate. Now, we have to merge this part perfectly. So, I am using layer masking process. By pressing Alt key and clicking on Add Layer Mask, I successfully applied inverse layer mask. Now all I have to do is just paint with white paintbrush having soft tip. You may have to repeat the process until entire cup filled with orange texture. To make the top part of the cup, let's reveal the lemon layer. Using pen tool, I am making path on this part of lemon. Press Ctrl+Enter to convert the path to selection. Then, Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. Let's move this layer and adjust as per required result.
Fire.
Using erase tool, I am erasing these edges to make it soft.
Fire.
For easy layer handling, I am selecting these layers and making them smart object. Let's duplicate the layer and again clip it to cup layer. Now, we have to adjust the exposure of this layer to give it a dark tone. Now, again I am using layer masking process to create a darker side of cup texture to make it more light interactive.
Free fire.
Now, we have to create a background. For this creative, I am taking a rectangle shape as a background layer and applying a green type gradient overlay layer style. Please follow the process.
Free fire.
To make this design more natural, I am creating object shadows, just using soft black dots of brush tool and using transformations, as per my requirement. Adding simple texts may increase the look of this design. Just practice these methods in different ways. And leave your comments below if any doubt arises. I will definitely try to clarify. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and take care.